What's up, guys? It's a brand new day and we got another electric ride to show you guys. This is the Meepo Edge. It's an electric skateboard. It's got a belt drive. It's a short style, so it's not the long board. So here's the remote that it comes with. So you just have to engage this little dial right here and you go forward. It actually has a reverse as well, so you pull it back, you can stop and go backwards. So we're gonna hit the power button and it looks like it's already connected to the skateboard. Yes, it is. Ouch, just ran on my freaking toe. This thing is fast. I'm not a pro at riding skateboards, so I think it's perfect for beginners, and it's something that, you know, it's definitely not slow, and if you're just starting out, it's like just the right speed. So the other day I reviewed another electric skateboard. That one was hub driven. Okay, it had hub motors instead of belt drive, and I would say for me the main difference is the belt drive seems to have a little bit more torque. All right, like you can take off with this thing, whereas the other one was kind of smoother. So it might be better up hills. We'll definitely take it up a hill and test that out, but I don't know which one I like more, because now that I'm getting used to it, I kind of like the torquiness. But as far as safety, probably the one that's a little bit more gradual. So in order to change the level, you hit the power button twice. The lowest level is low. Now we're in Eco. It goes to Sport and then Sport Plus. We're gonna do Eco. These nice houses over here. That's gold. I will say it is a calf workout. I'm about to take it up a hill real quick and see if it performs a little bit better than that other skateboard. The link to the skateboard, if you guys want to check it out for yourself, the link to the website is in the description of this video, so check it out. Overall, it's a fun skateboard. Like I said, I prefer the shorter style. The longboards are a little bit hard to maneuver. Like this one, I feel like I can turn way easier. It feels like a traditional skateboard. So in order to stop, we're just gonna pull back and then it slows down. It's pretty intuitive. There's no delay. All right, we're gonna take this thing up a hill. It's a pretty steep hill too, so let's see. I'm pretty sure it's gonna make it up the hill with these. We got it in level 2. If we need to bump it up to a higher level, we will. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let me show you guys how I look on this thing. Yeah, it's super smooth, man. I'm not gonna lie. Super easy to ride. Brakes work incredibly well. Got a lot of power. I like the fact that it's short, right? So you can easily pivot like a regular skateboard. So with the longboard, it's hard to make sharp turns. This one you can make sharp turns pretty easily. 10 out of 10. to be honest with you. 10 out of 10, highly recommended. Check out the wheels. Nice big old wheels on this joint. Big old wheels. You can easily go over rocks and cracks. Got a nice size battery underneath right here. This is the charging port. And then we have the power button down here. So here's the belt right here. Dual belt drive. So as you engage the throttle, takes off, all right? So that's in low mode. Check this out. This is eco. Much faster. This is sport. And Sport Plus. So yeah, it's pretty fast. The current price of this electric skateboard is $569. It is equipped with a 7.5 amp hour battery, and you can get up to 20 miles on a single charge. 1500 watt motors, and you can handle 30% incline. As you can see, we went up that hill pretty easily. We weren't even in the highest level. The top speed on this electric skateboard is 26 miles per hour, and it has adjustable braking intensity, and it weighs 19.8 pounds. Maximum payload on this electric skateboard is 330 pounds, so even if you're a freaking whale, you can ride this thing. That is gonna do it for our ride on the Meepo Edge electric skateboard. Thank you guys for hanging out with your boy. We'll see y'all in the next one. Got a lot of EVs to unbox and ride, so stay tuned. Hit that like button, and yeah, see you guys next time. Deuces, like that.